Hi everyone, it's Sam Carey from the New Ed Tech Classroom, and welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. Today's tip is to automate Gmail responses with templates. My tip a couple of weeks ago was to reduce time spent outside of class grading by giving in-class feedback. And today's tip is also designed to help you save precious time. One of the many tasks teachers have to take on outside of the workday involves sending emails. And often the content of those emails is repetitive, especially year after year. So to save yourself precious time, you should start setting up templates for pretty much every email you send out multiple times. Stick around and I'll show you how. First, let's look at how a Gmail template works. Let's say you're composing an email to parents about signing up for time slots for parent-teacher conferences. This might be email content you repeat more than once a year, and it's certainly email content you'll repeat year after year. Rather than hunting around for your old email or typing up an entirely brand new one, if you have a template, all you'll need to do is select that template and it will pull your pre-written email in. Make a few small changes, and you just sent out a detailed email in a matter of seconds and probably saved yourself a half hour or more of time. Okay, so now to create templates, you'll first need to enable templates in your Gmail settings. To access the settings, go up to the settings cog and click See All Settings. Then go over to the Advanced tab. There, you'll see that you have an option to enable email templates. After you've changed the template settings to enabled, click Save Changes. Now to create a template, we'll need to open up a blank email and then type up the body of the email you want to convert into a template. To help make sure you edit the correct parts of the template when reusing it, you might want to highlight sections of the text that you'll want to replace with new information. For example, you might want to highlight the date ranges of your conferences in this email to make sure you change it every time you send out information to parents about conferences. Then, once you're ready to convert this email into a template, click on the three dots on the bottom right-hand corner of the email, select Templates, and then click Save Draft as Template. Next, you'll be prompted to give your template a name, and be sure to give it a name that you'll easily recognize from a list, such as Parent-Teacher Conference Scheduling. Then click Save. Now that you've saved that email as a template, you'll never have to retype it again. All you'll need to do is open up a new email, go back down to the three-dot menu, and select Templates again. This time, under Insert Template, you'll see the name of the template you just created. When you click on it, you'll see that it auto-populates the new email with the content you already wrote. Just edit the highlighted areas and hit Send. Like I mentioned in the beginning, there's really no harm in creating lots of email templates to save you precious time. Gmail lets you create 50 of them. So I'd recommend setting up templates for emails such as beginning of year introductions to families, what to do if you're absent, checking in about missing work, field trip logistics, special events, parent correspondences that you repeat, etc. If you have other ideas about emails that you send over and over that would make a good template, drop those in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching my video to the end. If you're interested in learning all about how to use instructional technology to increase student engagement, personalize instruction, provide authentic learning experiences, improve communication with families, optimize your organization systems, and so much more, then check out my online course, The 21st Century Classroom. In the video description, you'll find a link to 21centuryclass.com, where you can learn more about the course, as well as sign up for the latest enrollment updates. In the video description, you'll also find the link to my website, where you can find additional resources for teaching with technology, as well as links to my social media accounts on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and TikTok, where I post 60-second quick tips about teaching with technology. Thanks again for watching, and have a great week.